Hi everyone, it's me, Sailor Mercury here, and today I'm going to be reviewing I'm going to be reviewing Takeover, or Takeover Free, or Takeover Revolution. It has three different names. Well, the first match was Kevin Owens versus C.J. Parker, and this was Kevin Owens, aka Kevin Steen's debut match in WWE. So this was a really good match. And Kevin Owens did a very good job in this match, and so did C.J. Parker, who, by the way, is the WWE's resident environmentalist. And Kevin Owens defeats C.J. Parker. The second match was the Lucha Dragons, Kalisto and Sin Cara versus the Broad Villains, Adrian English and Simon Gotch. Really good and this is for the NXT Tag Team Championship. This was a really good tag team match with the Lucha Dragons, Sin Cara and Kalisto, with the broad villains, Adrian English and Simon Gott. They did a really good job in this match. And at the end, the Lucha Dragons, Sin Cara and Kalisto defeat the broad villains, Adrian English and Simon Gott, and retaining the NXT Tag Team Championship. Third match, we had Baron Cullen versus Tyler Derringer, in a match that wasn't more than 10 minutes, but it was it was very short, knowing to his gimmick to have very short matches. It was a really good match. Baron Conan, I guess, defeats Ty Derringer, and then Bull Dancy shows up in the crowd, and they're in competition over who can have the short matches. Then we had our fourth match. Our fourth match was Finn Balor and what was his name? I forget his other name now. Hoyo Tommy. And they burst the Ascension, Connor and Victor. Really good tag team match between these. Finn Balor had an unusual gimmick that night, I guess, to try to throw the Ascension off of their game. But really good tag match. Both Finn Balor and Tommy do a really good job. And the Ascension, Connor and Victor did a good job too. At the end, it was Finn Balor and Tommy, I guess, defeating the Ascension, Connor and Victor. Then we had Charlotte Flair versus Sasha Banks for the NXT Women's Heavyweight Championship. Really good match between Charlotte Flair and Sasha Banks. There was a lot of times in this match where you thought Sasha Banks hadn't won. But at the end, Charlotte Flair defeats Sasha Banks and retains the NXT Women's Heavyweight Championship. Last match, Sami Zayn versus Adrian Neville for the NXT Heavyweight Championship. Really good match. There was a lot of times where you thought Adrian Neville had it won. A lot of times where you thought Sami Zayn had it won. And at the end, Sami Zayn defeats Adrian Neville and becomes the new NXT Heavyweight Champion. Everybody comes out to celebrate Sami Zayn's victory. And at the end, it turns out that Kevin Owens attacked Sami Zayn after the celebration was over. So this was a really good show. We even had an interview. Renee Young interviewed Roman Reigns that said he wants to be the first person to come up from NXT to win the WWE World Heavyweight Championship. So that was a really good interview. Overall, really good pay-per-view. I enjoyed it. Hope you did too. I'm Sailor Mercury, Amy. I'll see you later.